live in the Chihuahuan Desert, and this is a fragile ecosystem, very rich in biodiversity. This site is really important for Audubon and our partners, New Mexico State Parks and Fish and Wildlife Service, to try and reintroduce some of that biodiversity, some of those riparian woodlands and riparian shrub habitats that are really declining along this reach of the Rio Grande. TogetherGreen has allowed us to bring out 160 new volunteers to this site. We've managed to plant 2,400 new Goodings willows, and we pulled up 10,000s of salt cedar, which are these invasive exotic plants that grow here, and we've removed historic pasture fences so that wildlife can move freely from the uplands down to the river for food and cover and water.
It's been a huge help to have a strong volunteer component here to help plant trees, and it's a way to get the community excited about what we're doing out here. It's been a great partnership. Audubon's been a strong component in this restoration effort, and we couldn't have done it without them.
BioBlitz was the last of 6 volunteer events we had out here at Broad Canyon Ranch, and the idea was to bring as many scientists that are studying different groups of animals out to the ranch for a 24-hour period and put them out on the ground and see how many species we could count within that 24-hour period.
Counts especially provide an opportunity for the public to come out and witness firsthand the great work that scientists are doing. And for kids especially, it shows them that there are careers in conservation.
We have a 7-year-old son. He's got a strong interest in nature. The BioBlitz has experts from Arizona and all over New Mexico. It's a rare opportunity for us to interact with people who really know their stuff.
We have to really protect the animals so we have them for future generations.
The baseline information for any conservation effort is knowing what you have. Any kind of conservation effort like this, where we're trying to restore an ecosystem, really can't be done in isolation from the community. We're all going to have to work together on projects like this. So having the public involved and then having all the species identified will help us bring forth the best management practices possible.
It's like 17 points. Having the opportunity to band of painted bunting was more than I could have ever hoped. I've banded something on the order of 600 to 700 birds since 1995, and that's the first time ever I've had a painted bunting, and they are a remarkable species.
I think it's important to celebrate the natural diversity that we have here in southern New Mexico, and it's especially nice to have a place that's so close to home for so many people.
From an environmental education standpoint, TogetherGreen has allowed opportunities for the public to get involved in restoration.
TogetherGreen for me is all about community-powered restoration.